Hi there, my name is Liz Romero and I will be your instructor this summer. I am teaching both CD30 and CD38, so you should be enrolled in one of those sections. I'm going to show you CD38 right now, but CD30 looks the same as far as not the same content information, but the same layout. So I wanted to show you that when you first log in to the class, this will be the home page. So you're going to see the video, this video will be right here. You can click onto the syllabus, you can click onto the email, and then these are the weekly modules. So it's a 6-week class, and you can click into week 1 to get to the information for week 1. Week 2, you cannot click into because it's not open yet. I will make that available on week 2. Down here is a student cafe, which is a discussion board that you can talk to your fellow students and talk to them about this class or any questions that you might have. So if you click into week 1, I've made week 1 available for the purpose of this. What you're going to do is you're going to click into each of the, you're going to go down the checklist, each of these, and click into it. So here, this will tell you the checklist for the week, but I really want you to go through it this way so that you click onto each of the pages in here, because you will see your assignments, you'll see the discussion boards, but you're also going to see the checklist for the chapters, what you need to do, as well as videos. So any videos that will come up will be on these pages. So going back to the home page, you can always go back to the home right here. You can always go into modules this way. And again, you can always look at your grades through this. The other one thing I wanted to show you was that if you click on your account, there is your picture. You can change your profile through the profile button. You can also, under notifications, what I'd like you to do is a couple of things. Put your push notifications under announcement and then under grading submission comment. And the reason I would like you to do that is if you did not, if something didn't upload correctly, I will make a comment and need you to fix it. If you submitted something and I'm not able to open it, I will make a comment. Sometimes I'll give you a 0 just to get your attention so that you open it and look at the comment. And so you could submit it again really quickly. So that is it. Here is CD30 as well. So you can see that it looks just the same. And good luck. If you have any questions, give me an email and I will walk you through anything that you need. I can always be reached through Zoom. I can set up a Zoom meeting and we can walk through it that way. Or if you just want to email me and I can get back to you. All right, I'm looking forward to this summer and I will talk to you later.